Hey guys, Nikki, Vapor Honing Technologies. We're here in the showroom. I had a customer who called in today. He needed a little more instruction on the 800 fully loaded, so I kind of wanted to do a video for you. I think there's some general confusion as to when you're setting the machine up, how the normal operating system works here. But the main thing I want to talk about is that inside this cabinet, you're going to put your water. You're going to fill it up to your overflow valve on the side, the outside of the cabinet. It's going to be the highest overflow valve. It's going to be approximately about 18 gallons of water. But this is also where your abrasive goes. So this cabinet takes 25 pounds of abrasive. That can be glass bead, it can be aluminum oxide, garnet, crushed glass, basically anything you can use in a dry blast cabinet, you can use in wet blast. Again, this cabinet's going to take 25 pounds. You're going to pour it in on the floor, literally just going to rinse it down. Underneath the floor, there is a slurry pump with an agitation system. What that does is it keeps the abrasive suspended in the water until it's pulled up and into the gun in order to clean your parts. Not to be confused with the closed loop system. The closed loop system is literally just where your rinse water comes from. It's gonna only have these two basins that sit beside the cabinet. They're only gonna have water in them. And again, when it drains to equalize your water level, it's gonna be caught here in the top basin. It'll overflow into the bottom, and that's where your rinse water comes from. So please let us know if you have any other questions on how the machine operates. Again, you have all the bells and whistles of the windshield wiper. You have two 2-foot LED light bars. You also have the precision regulator. It's going to be everything an industrial unit would have in a nice little tiny package without the large price. So give us a call today. Let us know what questions you have and how we can be of service. My number is 828-220-4967. Thank you so much.